If you want a focused page for ads or promotions, creating a landing page in Shopify is simple and doesn't require coding. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Pages. Click Add Page and enter a clear title for your landing page. Add your content such as text, images, or buttons, keeping the layout focused on a single goal. Save the page once the content is ready. Next, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. From the page selector at the top, choose Pages and select the landing page you just created. Use theme sections to add or remove elements like banners, testimonials, or call to action buttons. Save the changes and preview the page to make sure everything looks correct on both desktop and mobile. After saving, your landing page is live and ready to use in your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.